Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to highlight a part of an image with a glowing new frame in Canva. In a new Canva project, add your image to the design. Adjust the size of the image. Go to position, make it center and middle. Go to elements and search for neon gradient frame. Now select the frame that you like. Then add it to the design. Adjust the size and place it at the center. Now duplicate the first image again. Crop it to fit the neon gradient frame. Set the corner rounding to 500. So adjust the image. Finally, on the background image, go to adjust. Set brightness to -60 and contrast to 25. So here's the final result. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials.